Welcome to another edition of Fat Potato Cooks with me, Raj Anand, still in lockdown, still good. Today we'll be making Flaounas, which are a traditional cheese-filled pastry from Cyprus. I love these, hence I'm a fat potato. And here we have the final product. Straight from the oven, still a bit warm, lovely. So for part one, this is the outer casing. We're just going to need some flour, some milk, some salt, sugar, Mahlepi powder, some olive oil. This will be our pastry. All we do is mix this together. Start with all the dry things. There's our salt. Sugar. Powder. Give that a stir. Then we add our olive oil. And let's do half the milk for now. Mix this together. Add the rest. And then we'll mix this and then knead it until we get a nice dough. After a few minutes, we have a nice, quite a moist dough. There we go. That's all we need. Wrap this up in cling film and pop it in the fridge for half an hour. So here we are for stage two. Stage two are the ingredients for the filling. We'll need some grated cheddar cheese, some grated Haloumi cheese, some milk, some egg, some freshly chopped mince, some semolina, sultanas, plain flour, some sugar, some dry quick yeast, and some Mahlepi powder. All we do next is put those into a bowl and mix thoroughly. First thing we need to do is put all the dry ingredients into a bowl. Flour, semolina, salt, powder, and the mint. There we go. That's everything in here, and then we just mix all of this through. Once that's all mixed, we'll add all the wets. There's our egg. Followed by, let's do half the milk for now. And just mix all of this together. And there you have our mix, ready to go. That's the end of stage two. So what do we need for the construction? We need our filling mix, our pastry. We also need a plate of sesame seeds. This is for the outer coating, and it's a make wash just to coat and make the sesame seeds stick. That's pretty much it actually. So let's make some room so it can work. And we'll leave that till the end. One of the first things to do is divide this up. There we go. Roughly evenly, but not quite. Next thing is make some balls. And just pop these into a bowl for later. There you go. Put those aside. Now then, take one of the balls. Let's get our rolling pin. There you go. What we'll do now is brush this with some egg. Pop this. Into our filling. There you go, so we've got a nice sesame seeds on the back. So another bit of a roll. And then to this, we're going to add some mix. A nice, healthy, oops. What we then do is fold this up. Now leave a gap when we do this. And that's going to let the thing breathe. A bit big so it'll stick down the corners. We'll fold that over like that. And there we go. And there we have one finished. Pop that onto our baking tray. So after a bit of a construction, we have a half-hour batch there, and various sizes, just however you want to make them. Just roll them, put them in the oven. They now go into the oven for about 25 minutes at 190 degrees. Here we have a selection straight from the oven, and now allowing to cool on the rack. And here we have the final product. Still a bit warm, lovely.